Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. Let's go over today's lesson objective. So today we will divide a fraction by a fraction. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to go over is, what is a fraction? Fractions represent the parts of a whole or a collection of objects. All right, fantastic. Let's go over the next word, which is division, which is the process of taking a whole item or a set of items and splitting them into equal groups. Really important. We want to make sure everything is in equal groups. All right, and let's go over dividend. So dividend is a number that will be divided up. So that is the original number, or the number of items that we have, and that is what we are dividing amongst our groups. On the other hand, divisor tells us how many pieces or groups to divide the dividend into. How many groups are we creating? How many pieces are we putting into each group? All right, let's go ahead and do our problem. So we're going to find the quotient of 3/4 divided by 1/7. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, which means we're going to go ahead and flip the second number, but we want to remember these three things. I'm actually going to cut right here. We want to keep our first number. We want to switch our operation, and we want to flip our second number. So we're going to keep our first number, which is 3/4. I'm going to put that right over here. We're going to switch our operation from division to multiplication. And then we're going to flip our second number. So we have 1/7. We are going to flip that to 7/1. 7/1. So now we're going to go ahead and multiply. So when we are multiplying fractions, we're going to go straight across. So 3 times 7 is 21. And now we're going to multiply 4 times 1, which is 4. So we have 21/4. If we want to go ahead and bring this down, I actually know, okay, if I have pieces cut into 4, I have 21 of them. I know I can make 5 whole groups, because 4 divided by 21 is 5. So I have 5 wholes, but that's not even. I have 1 left over, and I have 1/4 left, because 4 times 5 is 20, 21. So I have 1/4 left. So my quotient is 5 1/4. All right, let's go ahead and do another example together. So our next example is to find the quotient of 2/3 divided by 2/5. So remember, we want to keep our first number. We want to switch our operation. And we want to flip our second number. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that over here. So we want 2/3. We're going to keep that, switch our operation from division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip our second number. So we have 2/5. That is going to turn into 5/2. And now we go ahead and multiply. So we're going to do 2 times 5 is 10. And then we have 3 times 2 is 6. So now I have 10 pieces, but each of my holes are split into 6. So I know, okay, I'm going to get 1 hole. So I have 1 hole, and then I have 4 pieces left over because I took away 6. I have away from 10. So now I have 4 6 left over. So my quotient is 1 6/4. All right, let's go ahead and review our lesson objective. So our lesson objective for today was that we divided a fraction by a fraction. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.